I'm Jeff Koons, I'm an artist, and this is Louis XIV. Louis XIV is from my Statuary series that I made in 1986. This body of work in Statuary was very much about acceptance. That inflatable rabbit or Cape Codder troll, something you would see in a fish and chip shop, is equivalent to Louis XIV, this kind of regal object. I remember walking in New York, being on Canal Street, and seeing a fiberglass bust of Louis XIV. I thought, oh, that's great. And the next day I saw this little plaster cast of Bob Hope. And I was thinking of how art has been used since the French Revolution. I was trying to communicate that whoever you put art in the hands of, eventually it will reflect their ego and become decorative. Bob Hope was art in the hands of the masses. Louis represented, if you put art in the hands of a monarch, eventually it will reflect the monarch's ego and eventually become decorative. This is made out of stainless steel. I mean, it is a proletariat material. It's what pots and pans are made out of. It's like a spoon. You know, it's not sterling silver, it's not platinum. But at the same time, this surface is intoxicating. It's like being in the moonlight. It has all of that kind of celestial quality to it because it's reflecting everything. There's nothing in this environment that it's not accepting and reflecting. It's making no judgments. Within the works that I've made within my life, I think Louis is a high point. I think of it as a marker, and it feels like just a natural quality. It brought itself forward. All of my works come from ready-made objects that I see in the world and that I want to work with. I do that because it's practicing acceptance, that everything's already here, everything's perfect in its own being, and then bringing them together within a certain narrative.